Hi everybody, it's me, Karen, aka Sue. I have this little car vacuum that came with my order that my friend wanted me to show to you before she took it home. It's from Temu. It's just a portable vacuum cleaner for your car. It's a vacuum itself. Very pretty, black and gold, USB. Just, yeah, filter. The hole, and then the fan. Instruction booklet, crevice tool, little pipe to get down in, little holes, another one to get down in those tight little areas, a little brush for your vents, another little brush, and then this locks over the top to hold these little attachments into, like this, and then your USB cord. That's it. That's the cordless vacuum. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.